I was sent these little mini suitcases for my review and I could not be more obsessed. These are so adorable. I don't even know what to do right now. So this is a 12 pack. I just have a few laid out right now. There are a couple that are duplicated in color, but let's go ahead and I need to show you this. This is so awesome. So this right now is like, in my mind, I'm thinking of like having a party, and these would be like the perfect party favors. You don't even need to have any kind of theme or anything like that, but can you imagine showing up to a party and then having like this like filled with candy, or you could have like a little like, you know, nail kit or facial stuff inside here, and then this is like their little party gift that they take home. I think this is adorable. So you just open this up like this. So you've got lots of space right here, and then, you know, you've got like, this is obviously doesn't extend or anything, but it looks like you've got your little suitcase handle here. This one though, check this out. This one actually extends. How cute is that? And then you've got wheels, and it can actually wheel around. Like, look how adorable this is. Obviously, you can go as far as like, you know, you can actually put their names on here if you want to, but can you imagine having these all just kind of set up with little party favors? I am a teacher, so if I had these in my classroom, like as a last day, like gift or something for all my students, oh my goodness, they would have gone crazy for these. Really great plastic. Honestly, it's a good quality, and I just love, I mean, of course, it's super light. I mean, it doesn't take up a ton of space, but it is just so different from anything I have ever seen. Honestly, highly recommend. So cute.